there's probably one of the connectors back here is barely making contact, so we're gonna remove these covers. First, we're gonna remove this screw on the side. Comes right off. And we're gonna remove this one and this one. There might be white covers on here. Remove that cover. Now, first, let's check the ground. Make sure that's screwed in correctly. And then these are the two connectors that you're gonna check that run into the control panel. But to get there, you gotta unscrew this one. And these two here, 1, 2. And you're gonna pop it out of there like that, and try and wire these connectors out a little. That gives you some room. It's out already. You're gonna set these down. You're gonna push on this cover right here to pop it out of place there. Just work the wires out of this spot. And the connectors that we're gonna check are this one here and these two here. If one of these two is not connected correctly, just pop this off and just reset them. Just wiggle them back in there. And then to put the cover back on, it goes like this. Work the wires back in there. These three have to go under here. Just slide it up and it should lock in place. Make sure down here there's no gap. And then wire the yellow ones back in its place. Set this where they're supposed to fall in. Like that. Connect these back in here. You put a screw where you can see there's some small X's. That screw hole there is for the cover. So that's how you know where the screw goes. If it has an X on it, that's a screw hole for a cover. Put the cover back on, like this. Cover. This one, it will take a little wiggling to place. That's it.